It's my first time growing a python snake beans. Let me show you when to harvest it. You see, to harvest it when they are young, like this. Just pinch it off, just come out easily. So long. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna harvest this too, and this one I left it for like about a month or two, and it's the first one, and I just wanted to go to seeds so I can have more plants for next year. It started to turn orange color. Now it's ready to pick and dry for the seeds. I'm gonna pick it. The skin. Oh my god. Oh, it just break off. Oh yeah, definitely have to pick it today and dry the seeds. And there's one more over here. I don't know if you can see it. They love to climb. I have never tried it before, so I can't wait to cook it, stir fry, and see what it tastes like. It smells funny though. Ugh. It does not smell good at all. My goodness, what does this smell like? Sticky. Yeah, it smells funny. Oh, I don't know if I like the smell. It is super long. Maybe like 4 feet. Looks really cool in your garden. Looks a little creepy too. I'm gonna break it in half and see what it looks like inside. Whoa, so soft. Wow. It just broke in half. Look at that. No seeds? Yeah, look at this. Oh, there's the seeds. Let's see if the seed is hard. Oh, yeah, it's so soft. I mean, it's the perfect time to harvest it around this. They're like like half an inch to 1 inch diameter. That is awesome. It does smell funny. I don't know how to describe it. Ugh. I kind of don't like the smell of it. Let's see if the smell would change once you cook them. Let me show you how to save python snake bean seeds. This was my first snake beans, and I did not harvest it. I just let it grow, and now it takes about 2 months, I think. You have to wait until they turn a little orange. Started to turn orange, and I think that's when the seed is ready, is hardened. Yep. It's very hard to break off. It just fall apart very easily. And there's the seeds. It's very similar to bitter melon. Oh, it just come out very easily, and then you just let them dry. Look at that. Wow, that's a lot of seeds. Wow, you can open it very easily. Look at that. Oh. Just squish them out. I can't wait to cook with the baby one and see what it tastes like. I have never grown this before. This is my first time growing it, and can't wait to try it and see what it tastes like, or if it's I don't know if they are worth it to grow them for the next year. I don't know. I have no idea about the flavor, but they are super easy to grow. It's kind of hard to germinate at first. I think you have to kind of soak the seeds overnight. That will improve the germination for sure. I did not do anything with the plant. I just plant them and then just let them grow on a trellis, and that's all I did. This is the tail of it, and they still have more seeds. That was about 32 seeds just for one beans. 32 seeds, and just one seed, it produced about 5 beans. Wow. And the beans are so big and huge and so long. And I'm just gonna let the seeds dry. Let it dry about a week. I think that'll be fine. So I will be showing you how to stir fry this and trying it for the first time and see if I like it or not. But it's super easy to save the seeds and super easy to grow them. They just love to climb. They started fruiting around at the end of July. Actually, yeah, around July. I planted them before the last frost, started the seedlings, and I take care of the seedlings really well. And I planted all of it actually, at least 10 of them, and only one survived. You kind of have to baby it because of the slugs, and it kind of not germinate that well, and that's my experience. But I planted it on wood chips. When they were a baby, I add chicken manure because they were a little bit yellow, and the chicken manure really helped with the nitrogens. And after that, I left them alone. I just let them climb and just let them fruit. It's kind of fun in the garden. It looks, at first, it looks a little creepy. It is so long. They look just like a snake. Yeah, I think every gardener should try this out. And We'll see if I like the flavor or not of the beans. If I do, I'm gonna plant more for sure next year. Look at the shape of this one, it's so cool. Look at the curve. This is the tail. It does look creepy. So I'm out in my garden again, and I just stir fry this with olive oil, and I put a little pinch of turmeric and salt, and at first I did not like the odor, the smell of it. Oh, it was, yeah, I did not like it. Could be morning sickness that I'm experiencing, but I did not like it. Since I cooked it, let's see. Can we just try this? Let's see what it tastes like, and let's see if the odor is still there. Okay, I'm smelling it. The odor is gone actually, and tastes really nice. It's not bad. But it has a lot of liquid at first. You kind of have to cook it off, and then the inside it's soft. The skin is a little crunchy, but not really crunchy. What does it taste like? Tastes like zucchini, but with a little bit of crunch. The flavor is sweet, but not really sweet. It does not taste like green beans. It tastes more like zucchini. The texture's why it tastes more like zucchini. It's not bad. At first the odor was a little strong for me when I first picked it, and now I guess it's just cook it off. It's a really nice side dish. You should try it out and see if you like the flavor. I would definitely grow it for next year. Yeah, definitely. Thanks for watching.